why Shopify SEO is no longer optional, it's your e-commerce lifeline. What Shopify SEO really delivers. We have seen a massive rise in global e-commerce sales in recent years. In 2025, worldwide online sales are projected to reach nearly 6.5 trillion USD, and everyone wants a share of that growth. That's why millions of merchants now use Shopify to sell their products across the world. Today, Shopify powers about 4.8 million e-commerce stores, with nearly 3 million of them located in the United States alone. A recent survey found that 675 million buyers made at least one purchase from a Shopify store in 2024, and this number is only expected to increase. With competition this fierce, ranking at the top of search results requires skill, strategy, and professional guidance. So yes, the opportunity is huge. Millions of people are buying from Shopify stores every day, making this one of the best times to own an e-commerce business. But a basic website with a small catalog is no longer enough. In today's AI-driven mobile-first world, speed and mobile optimization determine whether your store wins or fades away. Even Shopify highlighted in one of their blog posts that mobile commerce sales surged to 2.07 trillion in 2024. For store owners, this means one thing: mobile optimized e-commerce sites will continue to dominate sales. If you want your Shopify store to rank on Google and attract consistent high quality organic traffic, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Gary, CEO of Softtrix. For the past 15 years, we've helped build and scale more than 5,000 online businesses. And today, I want to explain why Shopify SEO is no longer optional, it's your e-commerce lifeline. What Shopify SEO really delivers: Shopify SEO isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a comprehensive framework that helps your store achieve faster site speed, better user experience, strong technical performance, higher search visibility. If your store is disappearing from the search engine result pages, it's because your competitors are actively using SEO to climb ahead. To replace them and outrank them, we follow a proven optimization system. Our Shopify SEO process: comprehensive SEO audit, strategic keyword research and optimization, on-page SEO enhancements, technical SEO improvements, content marketing and blogging, link building and authority building, local SEO for Shopify stores, ongoing monitoring and performance reporting. Once we analyze your store structure, performance and existing content, we assemble a dedicated team of Shopify experts, including developers, content specialists, and SEO strategists, focused exclusively on growing your business. Our Shopify SEO services include custom Shopify web design and development. We build fast, responsive, mobile optimized stores that look great on every device. Shopify SEO optimization: from keyword strategy to on-page content, technical fixes, and optimization, we ensure your store ranks higher and performs better. Content creation: we develop compelling product descriptions, blog articles, and landing pages that drive targeted organic traffic. PPC and digital advertising: for stores that want instant traction, we create high converting paid campaigns that bring immediate buyers. Analytics, reporting, and ongoing support: you'll always know how your SEO, ads, and growth strategies are performing. Our structured data-driven process has helped countless Shopify store owners achieve higher rankings and attract consistent high-quality traffic, leading to sustainable long-term sales growth. Why Softtrix stands out: most agencies specialize in either SEO or web development, but we do both at a world-class level. That means you get a high-performing, beautifully designed Shopify store plus a full-service marketing strategy built for long-term growth. E-commerce is booming. Shoppers are searching for products every minute, and your store should be the one they find first. To help you get there, we currently are offering a free SEO assessment that can uncover opportunities to dramatically improve your ranking, traffic, and sales. Ready to transform your Shopify store into a high visibility revenue generating machine? Book a free consultation with Softtrix today and start dominating Shopify SEO and PPC in your market.